Did something weird start growing out of the top of your garlic? It's probably a scape. If you were surprised to see these curly stalks growing up from your hard-neck garlic bulbs, you were not alone. I was surprised as well. It turns out to be a pleasant surprise because these scapes are edible and they are delicious. We washed and chopped them and sautéed them with olive oil, salt, and pepper. If you enjoy garlic and green onions, I highly recommend giving them a try. This is only our second year growing garlic. This year's crop looks like it's going to be pretty good, and I understand cutting off the scapes gives you a larger bulb. Thanks for watching. See you next time.